Hello, how are you doing? Just wanted to update you on the Solo airdrop. And I just came to their Twitter, Sologenic, and it says we're happy to announce that the distribution of Solo airdrop has started. You can check the transactions as they happen in real time, and here's a link for that. Considering the number of transactions, this may take a few days to be completed. So click on here and it takes you to XRP scan, which is XRP ledger. And yeah, so sorry, I have something else running in the background. Took a little moment there. Yeah, so you can see this is sologenic.com. This is the Solo distribution, and you can see the payments happening today. Today's the 21st for me when I'm recording this. These are the Solo distributions that are going out to the addresses, right? I believe these look like the addresses. And you can see the amounts here of what's going where. And if you click here, there's pages and pages of it. So I just wanted to show you where you can look and where the information that they've given for you to look at. And that was the update, just to let you know what's going on. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye-bye.